Hey guys, I just got back from an amazing trip to Ireland and I can't wait to bring it along with me. Over the next few videos, I'll be sharing all the sights, stories, and little moments that make this trip so special, starting with the capital of Ireland, Dublin. Alright, before we jump into the sights and scenery, quick heads up if you're renting a car in Ireland. The vehicle insurance you buy online might not be valid there. We found out at the airport that ours would not cover us while in Ireland, and since insurance is required by law, we ended up using the insurance through the rental car agency at the counter before we could get a car key. So just double check ahead of time. It will save you a headache. Depending on how you want to explore the city, there are plenty of parking garages around Dublin. For us, the St. Stephen's Green Shopping Centre garage was super convenient. It's right next to our first stop, St. Stephen's Green Park. It's this gorgeous little oasis in the middle of the city. Peaceful paths, colorful flower beds, swans gliding across the pond. It's a kind of place where everything slows down, even if just for a bit. A perfect way to ease into the day. To get to St. Patrick's Cathedral, we walked through Grafton Street. If you Googled it like I did, it's supposed to be this super vibrant, music-filled, pedestrian street with tons of street performance. But since we visited in the spring, before peak tourist season, it was a little quieter than expected. There was no live music, but there was still a nice buzz in the air with shoppers moving from place to place. It felt lively, but not overwhelming, exactly how we like to travel. St. Patrick's Cathedral is the national cathedral of the Church of Ireland. I know we'll be seeing a few cathedrals on this trip, but this one definitely made a strong first impression. The exterior kinda looks like something out of Harry Potter. The stone, the towers, and the dramatic Gothic vibe of this over 1,000 years old building gives off a mysterious power. Inside is just as stunning. Whether you're into history or not, places like this really make you pause. You don't have to know all the details. Just walking through, looking up at the arches, hearing your footsteps echo, is the kind of place that makes you feel small in the best way. Christ Church Cathedral is right in the heart of Dublin, and yes, I know, another cathedral, but this one really stands out. The Gothic architecture is over 1,000 years old, with soaring ceilings, colorful tiled floors, and beautiful stained glasses that give the whole place a cinematic feel. No surprise it's being featured in shows like the Tudors and Reign. It also has the largest crypt in Ireland, which is kind of wild. If St. Patrick's felt mysterious, Christ Church is pure drama. For dinner, we headed to Johnnie Fox's, officially the highest pub in Ireland and one of the oldest too, dating all the way back to 1798. Wait, the highest pub in Ireland, and it's about 770 feet above sea level. Okay. This place was packed, so if you're planning to go, definitely make a reservation. It's got character in every corner, like a living museum, from the creaky wooden floors to the vintage signs and music echoing through the rooms. The atmosphere was so lively, we completely lost track of time. Guinness is a must when in Ireland. It was smooth as always, but the passion fruit martini was a bit too sweet for me. The food, incredible. We got fresh Irish mussels, full of the bone lynching. Finished the meal with delicious banoffee cream pie. So good, totally lived up to the hype. That wraps up our first day in Ireland, a little city exploring, great food, and a whole lot of character. We were tired by the end, but it was so worth it. Tomorrow, we are heading out of the city to experience the Irish countryside. Can't wait to show you what's next. See you on day 2.